For loop in C programming. Loops are used in programming to repeat a specific block until some condition is met. The syntax of a for loop is: for initialization statement, test expression, update statement, opening braces, then some quotes, then the closing braces. The initialization statement is executed only once, then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is false, 0, for loop is terminated. But if the test expression is true, non-zero, quotes inside the body of for loop is executed and the update expression is updated. This process repeats. The for loop is commonly used when the number of iteration is known. Example of for loop. Program to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. Positive integers 1, 2, 3 to n are known as natural numbers. Include stdio.h. This is a header file. Integer main function. Int num count sum equal to 0. This is a printf. Enter a positive integer. Scan of %d ampersand num. For loop terminates when n is less than count. For count equal to 1, count less than equal num, increment count. Sum addition equal count, printf, sum equal to %d, sum, return 0. Then output, enter a positive integer 10. Then sum equal to 55. The value entered by the user is stored in variable num. Suppose the user entered 10. The count is initialized to 1 and the test expression is evaluated. Since the test expression count less than equal num, 1 less than or equal to 10 is true, the body of for loop is executed and the value of sum will equal to 1. Then the update statement, increment count is executed and the count will equal to 2. Again, the test expression is evaluated. Since 2 is also less than 10, the test expression is evaluated to true and the body of for loop is executed. Now the sum will equal to 3. This process goes on and the sum is calculated until the count reaches 11. When the count is 11, the test expression is evaluated to 0, false. As 11 is not less than or equal to 10, therefore the for loop is terminate next. The total sum is printed.